In a busy town, there lived a quiet boy named Ryan. He looked normal, but he had a strange gift. Whenever he looked into someone's eyes, he could see their deepest secret. At first, he thought it was a dream, but one day, his teacher asked,
Ryan, why are you staring at me like that?
Sorry.
Ryan quickly looked away. Sorry. Because in that moment, he saw something. A hidden truth his teacher didn't want anyone to know.
Ryan, are you feeling all right? You seem distracted.
I'm fine. Just thinking.
Ryan whispered to himself.
This is not normal.
As Ryan grew older, his power became stronger. When people smiled, he saw their pain. When they lied, he saw the truth. One day, his friend asked,
Ryan, do you trust me?
Ryan looked into his eyes and froze. He saw betrayal. Ryan stepped back slowly. He said,
I need to go.
From that day, Ryan stopped getting close to people. Secrets only hurt, he told himself. One evening, while walking alone, Ryan saw a girl sitting on a bench. She looked calm, different. When Ryan looked into her eyes, nothing happened. No secret, no vision, only silence. Ryan was shocked.
Who are you?
You can't see mine, right?
How do you know?
Because I'm just like you.
Her name was Liana. She looked at Ryan and said,
This gift is not a gift. It's a curse.
I know, it only shows pain.
No, it shows truth, and truth is dangerous.
What do you mean?
There are people who don't want their secrets to be seen.
Especially powerful people.
And?
They're looking for us.
Suddenly, black cars stopped near them. Men stepped out wearing dark clothes. Liana shouted,
Run!
They ran through the streets. Ryan's heart was pounding. He asked,
Who are they?
They control secrets. They erase people like us.
Ryan looked back. The men were getting closer. He said,
I can't run forever.
Yes, you can. But first, you need to accept your power.
Ryan took a deep breath. The men surrounded them. One of them said,
Don't move.
Ryan closed his eyes, then looked at them one by one. Suddenly, he saw everything. Their fears, their lies, their weaknesses. Ryan spoke calmly.
You're not strong, you're afraid. You hide secrets because you fear the truth.
The men froze. One by one, they stepped back. Silence filled the street. Liana smiled.
You finally understand.
So, what now?
Now, we find others like us.
Ryan looked ahead, a new confidence in his eyes. For the first time, he didn't feel afraid, because now, he knew the truth was his strength.
If you had this power, whose secret would you want to see?
Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget, subscribe and like our channel.